Today we are going to learn about mastering minimalist documentation techniques. We'll focus on creating concise and effective documentation by understanding minimalist writing principles and employing strategies for clear communication. Welcome to our session on mastering minimalist documentation techniques. In today's fast-paced technical environments, concise and effective documentation is not just beneficial, it's crucial. Our aim is to help you understand how to create documentation that is to the point yet comprehensive, ensuring efficiency and user satisfaction. We'll explore the principles of minimalist writing, identify ways to remove redundant information, and learn how to use visuals to complement text effectively. We'll also delve into user-centric language, consistent structure and formatting, as well as prioritizing information hierarchy. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to strip documentation down to its essentials without losing the necessary information. Let's begin by understanding the principles of minimalist writing. At its core, minimalist writing focuses on clarity and brevity. The goal is to convey the necessary information in as few words as possible without compromising understanding. This involves using simple language, avoiding jargon, and steering clear of complex terms that could confuse the reader. Instead, choose words that are direct and to the point. Prioritize essential information and remove anything that doesn't support the main message. This approach not only saves time for the reader but also enhances comprehension and retention. Remember, the less cluttered the text, the more likely it is to engage the user, leading to more efficient and effective communication. A critical step in minimalist documentation is identifying and removing redundant information. Start by thoroughly reviewing your content to recognize any repeated ideas or details that do not directly contribute to the understanding of the main topic. These redundancies can clutter your document and distract from the key messages you want to convey. Streamline your content by eliminating these unnecessary details and simplify complex concepts wherever possible. By focusing on the core message, you ensure that your documentation remains clear and concise. This practice not only enhances readability but also improves the overall user experience, making it easier for users to find and understand the information they need. Visuals can be powerful tools in minimalist documentation. They help enhance understanding and retention of information. When used correctly, visuals should complement the text, not overwhelm it or stand in as a replacement. Diagrams, charts, and images can effectively illustrate complex ideas that might be cumbersome to explain with words alone. Ensure that your visuals align with the accompanying text, reinforcing the message rather than detracting from it. Remember to limit the amount of text on visuals, let the imagery do the talking. This not only keeps the documentation engaging but also aids in the user's retention of the information, making the documentation more effective overall.
Focusing on user-centric language is vital in minimalist documentation. To achieve this, you must first understand your audience, who they are, their level of expertise, and what they need from your documentation. Use language that is relatable and easy to understand, avoiding unnecessary technical jargon that could alienate or confuse readers. Empathize with your users by considering their perspective and addressing their concerns directly. Make instructions clear and straightforward, ensuring that users can easily follow and execute them. By prioritizing the user's needs and preferences in your language choices, you create documentation that is not only user-friendly but also more effective in achieving its purpose. Implementing a consistent structure and formatting is crucial in minimalist documentation. A uniform layout helps users navigate your documentation with ease, and consistency in headings, styles, and fonts enhances readability. Organize your content logically, using sections and subsections to break down information into manageable parts. This logical flow facilitates easy navigation and ensures that users can quickly find the information they need. Consistency in formatting also helps maintain a professional appearance, reinforcing the credibility of your documentation. By prioritizing these elements, you enhance the overall user experience, making your documentation more efficient and accessible. Prioritizing information hierarchy is essential in minimalist documentation. Start by distinguishing between primary and secondary information, focusing on presenting the most critical content first. Use headings and bullet points to break down information and guide the reader through your document. Highlight key information to draw attention and help users identify important points quickly. This approach not only enhances the flow of information but also improves user focus and comprehension. By structuring your documentation in this way, you ensure that users can easily navigate the content and access the information that is most relevant to them. Incorporating feedback is a powerful tool for improving minimalist documentation. Actively seek feedback from users to understand their experiences and identify areas for enhancement. Use this feedback to iterate and update your content regularly, ensuring it remains relevant and effective. By listening to your users, you can improve the usability of your documentation, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. This not only enhances user satisfaction but also reinforces the value of your documentation as a resource. By prioritizing feedback, you demonstrate a commitment to continuous improvement and responsiveness to user needs.
There are various tools and software available that can support minimalist documentation practices. Explore documentation tools that offer features specifically designed to enhance minimalism, such as templates, collaboration options, and content management systems. These tools can help streamline the documentation process, making it more efficient and effective. Features like version control, real-time collaboration, and easy formatting options can significantly improve your documentation workflow. Select tools that best meet your needs and the requirements of your team, ensuring they support your minimalist documentation goals. By leveraging the right tools, you can enhance the quality and efficiency of your documentation efforts.
As we conclude, let's recap the key techniques for mastering minimalist documentation. We've explored the importance of clarity, brevity, and user-centric language, as well as the value of visuals, consistent structure, and feedback. Minimalist documentation is crucial for efficiency and user satisfaction in technical environments. I encourage you to continue practicing these techniques and integrating them into your documentation processes. Your feedback is valuable, so please share your thoughts and experiences. For further learning, explore additional resources and keep honing your skills. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you success in your minimalist documentation journey.